Hi, today's video is not specifically meant for any particular class, rather it's for anyone and everyone who wants to improve their power of expression in English. It is meant for anyone who wants to speak good English or who wants to write good English. While it's true that day by day English language is getting more practical, more relaxed, more flexible and less rigid, this is also true that we must retain the basic rules of English grammar or basic concept of English grammar. Today I have selected one particular word, the usage of which I am going to tell you, I am going to teach you. And that word is than, T-H-A-N, than. Yes, on the surface this word appears to be very easy, or the usage of this word is very easy, but sometimes there remains a room for confusion. Well, than is used for comparison, and as far as or so far as the comparison is made between two nouns, it is not at all difficult, it is very easy. Let me give you an example. If I say my brother is taller than my sister, it is very easy. On one hand, the comparison is with my brother, and on the other hand it is my sister. So it's very easy, my brother is taller than my sister. So as far as the comparison is between two nouns, it is very easy to use. But the moment the comparison is made between two pronouns, sometimes there arises a confusion. Let me again give you an example using pronouns. He is taller than me, or he is taller than I. What is correct? Well, mostly people consider he is taller than me to be more practical and easy to accept. It is more practical. Indeed, it is practical. But if you observe it carefully, the comparison is made between he and I. And since he is a pronoun in a subjective case, the next word also should be in subjective case. So if he is in subjective case, we should use I on the other hand, because I also is in subjective case. So the sentence should be, grammatically speaking, he is taller than I. I know it is difficult for you to accept it, but if you just use the word am at the end of the sentence, you can clearly accept what I am trying to tell you. But that means the sentence can be rewritten, or it can be said in this way: he is taller than I am, instead of saying I. But still, as far as the conclusion of this is concerned, he is taller than me or he is taller than I. There is not a big difference. Maybe we can say that one is the informal, me is informal, and I is rather formal. But still there is no confusion. We can say he is taller than me or he is taller than I. There is not there is no room for any confusion. But sometimes there remains a room for confusion, and in those situations we should take heed. We should be careful what we are using. Now, listen to me attentively or carefully. I am going to just give you a sentence and I will teach you how it leaves a room for confusion. See, my next sentence is, I love you more than her, or I love you more than she. What is correct? Let me tell you, both of the sentences are correct. I love you more than her, or I love you more than she. And the meanings of both of these sentences are different. Let me differentiate it. I love you more than her means I love you and I love her also. But I love you more than I love her. You can consider I love under bracket before her. That means I love you more than I love her. So, in short, we can say it like I love you more than her. But the second possibility, that is I love you more than she, means I love you and she also loves you. I love you more than she loves you. So in order to understand this sentence, loves you should be written or should be understood at the end of the sentence. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Let me repeat it for you. I love you more than her means I love you as well as I love her, but I love you more than I love her. And I love you more than she means I love you more than she loves you or more than she does. So in such a situation, there is a room for confusion. So in these situations we should be careful to use a pronoun of correct case. We should take care whether it should be in subjective case or we should be in objective case. I hope this point is clear. Still, if it is not clear, if there are any gray areas, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to clarify your doubts. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.